Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Let's go ahead right now and add products to the store using Spocket. So right now, since we have 4 categories of products, we're going to start with the first category, which is Naruto figurines. So in order to add products to Spocket, go to AliExpress, and then let's search for Naruto figurines. Let's just add a couple of products loosely. So search for it on AliExpress. Obviously, there are a lot, so I'm just going to select a couple of ones on the loose. So the first one that I will select is this one right here. Open in another window. Open this one as well. This one I like as well. This one as well. So I'm going to open up 4 of them. And basically here, let's start with the first. This one has Jiraiya Sensei, Naruto's father, which is an awesome figurine. Let's add this one as well. This one as well. And this one as well. If this button doesn't display properly, all you have to do is to just refresh the page and you should be able to see import this Spocket right here on this side. So let's go right now and add a 5th one. I think this one would look good for a 5th. So there you go. And let's add this one as well. So right now we have imported 5 products. Let's go ahead and visualize them on the Spocket app. So how do we do that? Go to Spocket, and basically all you have to do is to refresh, right? So refresh the page. Okay, so let's refresh. And basically over here, don't forget to check the variance, because sometimes this product might be on a negative profit. So make sure you check your profits before you push the product to store. Because this product is from the category of Naruto figurines, I'm going to assign to it the Naruto figurines category and click push to store. They're going to show me this message. Click on connect to AliExpress once they show you that message. And let's go to AliExpress. Right here, AliExpress says that you should connect, log into your account, and basically you can see right here that we have 5 products on the import list. So let's go ahead and add these products. So the first one here, let's assign to it the category of Naruto figurines, click push to store. Scroll down, assign to the next one Naruto figurines and click push to store. And here, let's assign to this one as well, push to store. You might be wondering, well, why am I doing this manually every single time for every single product? It's because this is how you should do it. A lot of people would want to use this push all button, but I highly recommend you to do it for every single product individually, because if you use the push all button or push all option, you are in high risk of not pushing all. So just do it for every single one individually. So we have pushed these products. If you want to preview how they look on your store, basically all you have to do is to go here, click on products, and you can click view on store. So scroll down, click view on store, and it will show you or give you the experience on how it looks on your store, right? So this is how it looks. Well, basically, this is the first product or the first category. Let's go ahead right now and add the merch category. So let's go and keep exploring some products on AliExpress. Obviously, I have some products that I already opened. I like this one, so I'm going to import it. I'm going to have to go and look for something similar. So I think this one is pretty similar. Let's open this one. This one is also some merch, right? So these are hats, Naruto hats. Let's hope that this will be directed. So basically here, 27, right? So let's go. First of all, let's change the currency to US dollars first. Let's search for USD or dollars, United States. There you go. And the currency is dollars, right? So save. There you go. So right now, click on save. And let's import these bunch of hats to Spocket to add them to our merch category. Let's scroll down to see if we have some other merch. This one is good. These ones are also good. And right, so let's go and add the other ones. This one is a weapon. We're going to leave it. And let's add, for instance, these products. Let's click this also. Let's click on import to Spocket. Let's click on this one. This one is a figurine. Let's just keep looking for a merch, right? So these are all not merch products, right? So maybe we can add a hoodie or a t-shirt or something. So I'm just gonna go and try to find some t-shirt that I can add. Maybe this one, right? So let's click on it. Hopefully we can push it to store, because normally these ones are under copyright. Just pay careful attention to the picture. If you see that the picture has some background numbers, like for example, this one, it has background numbers. This one would not be, we cannot import this one because this is under copyright. Let's look for something else, right? Let's look for something, another product instead of this t-shirt, for instance. Let's maybe, right, maybe look for pillows, right? Hopefully the pillows are not under copyright. So let's zoom in on the pillows. All right, so this one, I think we can import it. Click on import. Basically here we have this. Click on it as well. And let's import this. Let's go ahead and keep on looking for some interesting products. I think this is a stop. So I'm gonna go to Spocket, and I'm gonna just simply refresh the page and go to my import list, right? Let's go to the import list right now. We already have 5 products that we have imported just now, and let's just add them. So let's add the first pillow merch. Let's assign the collection merch to the next one as well. Let's click on this one, click on merch, push to store. Basically click on this one and click on merch and push to store. And the last one, right? So we have added 5 to the merch category as well. Let's go ahead right now and add some to the ninja weapons category. Obviously, I already have some ninja weapons open. This one, I'm going to import it. I have this one. All right, let's go and look for some other weapons. For instance, a sword or something. So this one, even though I don't think this is a Naruto sword, but I'm just gonna add it just to make an example of it. Let's go back to the recommended section on this one here, or recommended products on this one. Hopefully we can find some interesting products. These are some shuriken, so let's click on this shuriken product here. Let's import this. Let's go to find other recommended products on this similar to this, right? So okay, so scroll down here. You can see some other products. For instance, this one, I'm gonna open it up, add this one as well to my list. Let's go and find some katanas, even though they might not be Naruto katanas, but let's just find some katanas, right? Because we need to add them on our store, right? Search for katanas. So we have this katana over here, katana collection. We're gonna add this, right? So it's cheap, add it. Let's keep looking for some katanas. This one as well is good. Let's add this one. This one is big. Click on add katana to the store. And let's look for some other ones right here. Maybe this one as well. And we're gonna just end over there, right? So, and maybe a shark cleaver, right? Let's look for a shark cleaver because I like that, right? Shark cleaver. Go back or close this one and look for shark cleaver. Hopefully we can find this weapon. All right, we couldn't. Or shark sword. Let's shark sword. All right, there is none. Well, I happen to like this, so I'm gonna click on this. And basically here, let's add these ones as well. They're not so expensive, so let's click on import. There you go. So right now we have added all these weapons. Go back to the store. Click on refresh, and let's add those as well to our store. All right, so the last category is the Sharingan. All right, so let's go ahead and search for some Sharingan on here on AliExpress. So the first ones I found are this one. I'm gonna open it up, open this in a new tab, open this one up in a new tab. So let's go ahead, let's add the first one, import. The second one, import to Spocket. And make sure that you don't close the window until it says over here that import was successfully, or import was successful, right? Until you get that message, you cannot close the window. Click import this to Spocket. Now let's try to find something similar to these guys, right? This one here. Let's try to find something similar. Okay, so maybe we could just click here and find something similar, right? Yeah, so this watch is good. And these rings, as well as maybe these ones, right? So these ones are also good. Click, and let's add all of them. This is a tattoo, right? So that's also great. Let's click on import to Spocket. Let's go over here as well. Click on import to Spocket. Click on this one, import to Spocket. This one was imported already, and this one also. So let's close all of them down. Go back to Spocket. Wait for a second, then click on refresh. So right now we have how many products in the list? We have 6. So click on these products. And basically let's just add them to the category of Uchiha Sharingan, right? This is the category we're talking about here. So add. Let's go to the other one. Uchiha Sharingan on the, this watch is interesting, right? So let's add this tattoo as well. Let's add this other one here. Push. Assign a category to the other ones. Let's try to do this fast. All right, so we've added all of them right now. So right now we have added all the products to the store. And we can go right now and click on preview, just for me to show you how they look like. So if I click on Uchiha Sharingan, you can see that all the products are here. If you click on Naruto figurines, you can see that they are all here. Merch, you can see they're also all here. And ninja weapons, you can see that we have all the weapons over here. So right now, let's go ahead and work on the front end of the store. The first thing we're going to add is a banner image right here. And so let's go ahead and add it.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.